Hey folks, Eric here from Avid CNC, and I had a customer the other day ask me how they could figure out how long a toolpath would take to complete in VCarve or Aspire. And if you're not aware, in VCarve or Aspire, they have this toolpath summary tab, and you can actually click a button to see how long a toolpath is going to take. The problem with using this is that it's not really accurate because it doesn't know exactly how your particular machine accelerates and decelerates. You can get a rough guess in here, but to get a really accurate guess, the best way to do this is just to save your G-code out, load up your controller on your Avid EX machine. So this is CNC 12 here. Load up the G-code and you can press graph. And what this is going to do, it'll graph out the G-code job, and it does it in this nice 3D wireframe so you can really see what it's going to do. But what this does is it actually runs the job through the machine's motion planner with your machine's particular settings. So it can figure out exactly how long it's going to take. And that time is right up here. T equals 20:46. That means this job is a 20-minute and 46-second job. So there you go. If you want to know exactly how long a piece of G-code is going to run, load it up in CNC 12, press graph from the main screen, and your time will be displayed right there. Happy making!